हेलो गाइस, अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फटाफट से सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक एंड शेयर करो और बेल आइकन को जरूर से दबा दो।
Help your engine avoid the rocks in the Wild Water Slide at Water Slide Mountain. Great! That's the way. I think your engine wants to do that again. Left, Lee. The Great Waterton Station is coming up. Help the passengers get into the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with them. Great! Your engine was really happy to help. Does your engine have the courage to jump the big bridge? Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make your engine go, go, go. I think your engine wants to do that again. Choose a direction. Right to the Brendam Docks. Let's go! Can you help Cranky the Crane unload our friendly engine and put the special deliveries onto the boat? Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Excellent!